Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. The velocity ratio of an inclined plane where an angle of inclination in theta is. Let us make a quick diagram of this. This is the inclined plane and this is the angle theta. Okay, so this is the distance traveled by the load. Let's represent that with h, and this is the distance traveled by the efforts. Okay, good. So let's this be L. Okay, so if we have sine theta, and this will be equal to h over L, that is opposite over hypotenuse. Alright, and for velocity ratio, which is equal to the distance traveled by effort over the distance traveled by load. Okay, and that is to say the distance traveled by effort, remember this is it, that is L, and the distance traveled by load, which is h. Okay, good. So now that we have velocity ratio equals L over h, and if this were to be inverted, we will have h over L, that is the invert with inverted sign raised to power minus 1. And this is also, since sine theta is equals to h over L, that is sine theta raised to power minus 1, which is equal to 1 over sine theta. So this is what the velocity ratio is now, 1 over sine theta. So the answer option, this is 1 over sine theta. The answer option D is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.